All right, here's our Kate and Boris litter. They are 2 weeks old. They are so dang cute, you guys. Look at all of them. Oh, and their eyes are starting to open. Look at that right there. So they open from the inside out. And let's see, their little ears are starting to open. This is such a fun age. So many changes going on in their development. They're still fat and happy, loving life. Kate's a great mama. But this is as exciting as it gets at 2 weeks old. So the boys are black collar and blue collar. The rest are girls. I thought we had another boy in there, but it turns out we don't. So we have 4 girls and 2 boys. But everyone's doing great. Here's Mommy Kate. She's doing phenomenal. No surprise that Big Boy Blue is the first one to the milk bar. He is a big boy. But everyone's doing great, right, Kate? Everyone's doing so great. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, you know, good girl, Kate. Good girl. Everyone's just enjoying their time at the milk bar, aren't they, Kate? Look at those sweet little babies. Look at the, look at the neck rolls. Oh my gosh. So cute. You're a good mommy, aren't you? Yeah. Good mama. Good mama. Good girl, Kate.